The settings part of any website is super important, especially with the settings that we have here. But maybe you want to restrict or lock away access. So if I just go to reading, I'm going to have to enter in a password. Okay, let's go back and go to the general one. Again, I'm going to have to enter in a password. It doesn't matter where I go. All of these tabs, even the media, I've got to enter in a password. So let's go and drop in 1, 2, 3, hit submit. And now it lets me in. Because maybe you want to lock it down because you are untrusting of other people, or you're just a bit worried that someone might go in and change something. Here's a code snippet. It's free. It's in the video description. Go and copy and paste it, or click the link to go and copy and paste it. Use the free code snippets plugin, paste it in, save changes, go and activate. And this is where you would set your password. So go and pop it in to be whatever you want. So once you've logged in, it's going to remember you, and then it will basically lock away access to these areas over here. You don't have to use it. This is a bit of a crazy snippet, but if you are trying to make things a little bit secure because you've got multiple admin or other people accessing the back end, this could help you out. Hey, I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings.